Hello kids! Welcome to the Farm Animal Adventure. Today we're going on a fun trip around the farm to meet some amazing animals. Are you ready to meet them? Yay, let's go! Cow. This is a cow. Cows are so cool because they give us milk. Goose. Look over here. It's a goose in the snow. The goose is standing on one leg. Horse. Wow! Look at these big, beautiful horses. Horses are super strong and can run really fast. Chicken. Look at these beautiful chickens. Chickens are so special because they lay eggs. Do you like eggs? Goat. This is a goat. The goat is basking in the sun. Pig. Look at this happy pig rolling in the mud. Say hello to Porky the pig. Can you say oink, oink? That's right. Pigs love to roll in the mud to stay cool. Isn't that silly? Donkey. Donkeys are very intelligent. They have a good memory and excellent ability to learn. Duck. And this is Clara the duck. Can you all say hi, Clara? Clara is a great swimmer. Guinea pig. This is a guinea pig. Did you know that guinea pigs love to live in groups? They're very social animals and love to squeak and purr when they're happy. Let's make a squeaky sound like a guinea pig. Squeak, squeak! Cat. Look at this little cutie. This is a cat, and this one right here is named Ginger. Rabbit. Oh, look who's eating. Rabbits are fast, quiet, and love to dig and hop. They're gentle animals who live in groups and love to snack on vegetables and grass. Dog. This is a dog. Dogs are known as man's best friend. Pigeon. Look at these lovely birds. These are pigeons. Pigeons are smart, loyal birds that can fly long distances and always find their way home. Bee. Bees love to collect nectar from flowers to make honey. Yum! Parrot. These are parrots. Parrots are not only colorful and beautiful, but they're also very smart. They can learn to say words, mimic sounds, and are great at problem solving. Turkey. Turkeys are funny birds with bright red and blue heads. Bull. Bulls are male cattle, and they're known for being strong and powerful. They help farmers by fathering new baby calves, and sometimes they're used to pull heavy loads on the farm. Wow, what a fun day meeting all of our farm friends. Bye-bye, kids! Don't forget to subscribe for more farm-tastic adventures.